Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your domain with the Cloudflare. So first of all, we'll actually go to the browser. We'll go to the hostinger. This is my hostinger C panel, you can see. Now from here we are going to actually go for the domain section, and here you can see this is my domain. So now I will show you how you can actually connect this domain into Cloudflare. So I will open a new tab and go for the Cloudflare, okay, and I'll search it Cloudflare. You can see. Now go to the www.cloudflare.com. Okay, go there for the login, and if you don't have any account, you can actually connect it here through the Google's. Now click here domain and go for the overview. Okay, this section overview. Now here you can see add domain. You'll click here, and here you can see connect a domain, transfer a domain, buy a domain. So we're going to select this connect a domain, and here you can see we have domain name, and here we have example.com. So what you have to do, you have to actually go back here in the hostinger, and from here we are going to copy our domain, that is unipixel.org, and we are going to paste it here. Okay, now we are going to actually continue here. Now choose any of the plans. So we are going to, here we are going to go with the free one. So we are going to go for the continue to activation. Now here you can see we have here add each of your assigned Cloudflare name server. So we have to actually set name server. For this you have to go back to the home and then domains, and then here you can see this is our domains. We are going to choose this. Okay, and here we have option, you can see DNS or name server. Okay, and now we'll say change name server, and now here we are going to paste them. Okay, so for this we are going to copy it, and here we are going to paste it in the name server 4 and then 5. So let's copy this, the next one, and then paste it to the 4. Okay, then save it. Here we go, and done, but may take up to 24 hours, right? So we'll check it later, but I have shown you guys how you can actually change this and how you can connect your domain to Cloudflare. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.